What's going on everyone, Mr. Bluestar96 here and welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be showing you some stuff that you can do at, or some stuff you can find down at Greenham Common. I was there, well, I've already recorded the clips, but I'll be putting them into this, well this is the intro for the video, and then once I've recorded this I will change up a little bit and then do the outro. Yeah, I'm just going to be showing you some stuff that you can do down at Greenham Common, which is an old army base in the UK. It's pretty big, pretty interesting place to be. You can go there just for a walk. You can go there to have a look at for stuff. You can find stuff. There's a lot of stuff you can do there, and I did try and film as much as I could without being too over the top with some of the stuff I was doing, but I got some cinematic shots, I got some pictures or some videos of like some stuff that's left there. Hopefully you guys do enjoy. We'll be putting them in the they'll be coming up in a second, but I just want to say thank you all for the support recently. I will be doing a lot more content like this to come. Be starting live streaming again pretty soon. Well, by the time you're watching this I've probably already started again, or doing some more live streams, because I did take a little while off because I was ill. Still, as I'm recording this, I'm still getting over it, but now onto the video. Hopefully you guys do enjoy, and I'll see you in a second. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the clips, and then I'll get back to you after that. So yeah, that's coming up now. Lost it.
I'm sure we could have put upon those signals and installed the people's brains.
Oh, filming already. No, over there. The fire plane, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the fire plane.
It was installed in 1986 as a firefighting simulator, intended as a mock-up of the C-130. During training exercises,
Ah. Awesome. I haven't. That there is a kite. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, that's perfect. Over there is the air traffic control tower, which will be in another video at some point. I do have wildlife here as well, which is good. Cow there, and then just around that there. You can't see, there's more cows over that way. And there's one there. That one's pretty close actually. There are the bunkers. The final bunkers. Right, hopefully you guys have enjoyed that. It took me a whole afternoon to record that. To record all those clips. And hopefully you guys do enjoy it all, because I've enjoyed making it. I enjoy making this sort of content anyway. And I'm being different from the norm. I'm not just having 100 channels, like one for adventuring, one for Yu-Gi-Oh, one for Minecraft. I'm not having any of that stuff. With this channel, I want it to be different. I want it to be unique. So I have car stuff, adventure stuff, just general vlogs, Yu-Gi-Oh, Minecraft, car drift racing, gaming, just in general stuff that I like. And hopefully you guys do enjoy that. I hope you have enjoyed the content recently. I've been doing, we're going to be doing some live streams quite a lot. I may even do a series showing how I make money, like, or what stuff I find, what stuff I can sell, or what stuff I find, how much to sell it for, and what to put in a description to sell it, so that you know roughly what I go through in a process, what sort of video ideas I have, how I keep organised, because I keep organised quite well, with like videos that I've got coming up. We'll be doing another Greenham video probably in the next few, sometime in the future. But I'm just getting into the YouTube stuff more and more and more, keeping up with making videos and stuff. Hopefully by now, or hopefully by the time, I think, or I hope I hope by next year I will be doing a lot more stuff, keeping up with the live streams and the Yu-Gi-Oh stuff and the Minecraft stuff, and just in general having fun, because that's what I do. I generally tend to have fun on my channel, and hopefully enjoy the adventuring videos, because I've got a lot more of them to come up in the future. But yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed the video, leave a like, or if not, don't worry about it. If you think I can improve on anything, leave it down in the comments, what you thought I can improve, what you think I can improve on. Also, subscribe, turn on notifications if you want to, that is. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. And I hope you have enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.